I am such a huge fan of boxing. I've been boxing forever. I actually started way back old school. Okay, belly blanks. I did Taibo. And my style of boxing is more considered Hollywood Kung Fu because I pretty much pick up all styles. I was a stunt woman. So I was so excited when RDX said they wanted to partner with me because I love boxing and this is a great bag. So it's got this really great base. And you can fill it with either water or with sand, so it's really easy. I put it together. You can check another video of me putting it together if you want to know how to do that. Super easy, but the whole thing is just, it's solid, it's heavy duty, and it hits nice, so I really like the feel of it. It's gonna take a little bit of wearing in. It's really, it doesn't have my soft spots in it like my other bags do, so I'm gonna have to wear this one down a little bit. But let me tell you everything that comes with it. Comes with some gloves, comes with 2 different weight belts, and it also comes with some weightlifting straps, which are fantastic. The really cool thing, because this is probably gonna be living in my garage, it comes with a really cool dust cover. So you can cover the bag while it's not in use and protect it, which is great. And man, bags last forever. Boxing bags are great. Once you get a good boxing bag, hard to give it up. So yeah, I cannot wait to wear this one in a little bit. Oh, also the base of it, it's suction, so it's gonna stay steady and stay put. So you can see me like going for it and hitting this bag and it's not tipping over. And I didn't even fill the whole thing up with water. I filled it up halfway. Still pretty solid. Again, thank you so much, RDX. I really do appreciate you sending this for me to review, and I love our partnership. So once again, thank you, and you will be seeing some more videos coming with me showing you some boxing form and Muay Thai form. So let's go for it. Let's get to working out.